You might have to give it some more gas, man. Wait, hold on. Let me see something here. Fuse is in there. The gas is that low? I mean, I put like. Yeah, man. It's not just on the red line. You don't have gas? No, gas is bad. Oh, more gas, more gas, more gas. More, oh.
What's that?
I think there's a lot of launch the piston right out the engine. No. I don't know, man. I just fill up with gas. I can eliminate it on the top.
Huh?
I was having a problem when I was popping out the intake before. That's why I thought that's why I changed the gas. There's a light price coming at the intake. That's some good juice right there. Okay, you want to go outside and I can just go get some gas just so you can not run it.
Let me try one more time. Hold on. Oh, Jesus Christ, what the heck was that?
Oh, shit.
I think you have to sit on it.
Oh, it was this one I was trying to do. Okay. That's no, at least it's not. It's all the way to the top. Maybe I can see. I won't be touching the roof.
Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna get enough for us to back up in the driveway.
No, man, you might have to go. Oh no, go for it. Then. Go for it. Then. Go back up in there.
I can't. I'd have to go all the way around.
Let's go some speed. What do you think you better go? It'd be hard to go all the way around or right?
It'd be hard to go around. I mean, I guess if I go around and get stuck, I could just let it roll. But
reverse, you're gonna have to lean a lot.
Oh, you know what? I'll just go forward and then I'll back, reverse in.
I think I prefer to put facing the door.
Come on.
What's going on, man? More gas. Just dump the clutch. I don't know. Just. Oh.
Very tight clutch. What's going on here, though?
I know. Yeah, do I have to speak German?
Yeah, Jesus Christ. Oh, it was partially in gear.
Okay, let me go get the gas.
Yeah, go.
Okay, go get the gas. Gas, 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 gas. Oh, it's not enough. Huh. Full power.